Hello everyone, in our previous projects we see how to use recycler view in our project and how to handle a click event on our items. So you can see when I click Ram is up here. Now in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to perform swipe to delete operation in your project. So let's begin. So first of all, go to your package level and create a class on it. Swipe to delete. Make this class as abstract. Now we can pass three argument here: context and our drag direction, type int. Now swipe direction, which is also type of int. Now this class will return item touch helper dot simple callback, in which we can pass drag direction and swipe direction. Swipe dir. Now here make it small. Now go to your class and here override two method on move and on swiped. Now here our return type is boolean, so return false. Now go to your main activity and create a variable of simple callback. Not simple callback, it's our swipe to delete object, which is swipe to delete, and pass our context. Our drag direction is 0 and item touch helper dot left. So item touch helper dot left means if we swipe our item to the left, then it will perform a certain operation. What operation we can derive here? In on swipe we can call our adapter and delete function, which we can create. Now take our adapter position by using this view holder. Now create a item touch helper class, item touch helper object. Now pass this item, which we can create over here, is passed in our item touch helper object. Now by using this item touch helper object we can attach our recycler view. So that's all for this. Now go to your my adapter class and here I make some changes. So I create a variable which is of type string and it is a mutable list. Now initialize this list with this list. In our previous case this list is not exist. Now we can create a del function which will delete a item in our list. Now what this function do is delete position list, remove at position. So it simply remove a item from our list, and finally it notify dataset is changed. So that's all. Now go to your main activity and run our project. Now our project will run successfully. Now on swiping left you can see the Bharat is delete. Now on swiping Lakshman is delete from our list. Now that's all for this tutorial, and if you like my video please subscribe my channel. Thank you.